Today in this video we are going to cover the topic dispatches from the new economy, the five phases of the on-demand economy. This is a quick book, self-employed. Okay, let's start the topic without wasting our time. The five facts of the on-demand economy. From people determined to their own boss to those embracing the flexibility to do something they love, to workers finding a replacement for a traditional job. People work in the on-demand economy are just about as diverse as the labor market itself. There are five key group of the workers in on-demand economy. The first one is the career freelancer, happily building a career through independent work. This is a diagram, visual representation of the first point. The business builder, driven by desire to be their own boss. This one. The the side gigger, looking to find financial stability by supplementing existing income. Okay. The passionates, looking for the flexibility to do something they love. The substituter, replacing a traditional job that is no longer available. This one. The breakdown. The career freelancer is about 20% of on-demand workers. The blue part. The business builder 22% of on-demand worker. This one. The side giggers 26% on-demand worker. Orange part, and the passionate worker is 14% on-demand workers. This light red part. The substituter is 18% of on-demand work. Okay, if you want me to zoom, I think we shall zoom it. The career freelancers. The career freelancers are happily building a career through independent work. They like being in control, being their own boss, and creating their own job. They are less concerned about the risk associated with no on-demand and independent work. They generate a larger proportion of their total income from their independent work than other groups. Just like 93% are like controlling the decision about when, where, and how they work. 69% are report feeling more secure working independently than a traditional job. 52% are report feeling less at risk working independently than in traditional employment. Okay. The business builder. The business builder are primarily motivated by desire to run their own business or be their own boss. They are most likely to already have their own business and use on-demand work to supplement or extend their existing business. 93% reports they always wanted to their own boss. 86% report, according to survey, that they will go back to relying solely on a traditional job. 55% of reports says owning their own business in traditional in business in addition to their on demand activities. The side giggers. The side giggers are looking for opportunities to supplement their income and are strongly motivated by financial security, job flexibility, pursuing interests, and less important, they are most likely to be employed a traditional job. Okay, we 88% of this city side gigger report says earn more income as the primary reason they work in the on-demand economy. 59% have a traditional full-time, 43% and or part-time job, 16%. 20% report says owning their own business and traditional to their own demand activities. The passionate. The passionate are primarily motivated by job flexibility and the opportunity to do something they enjoy. They are less likely to be motivated by money. the group is relatively well educated and work the fewest hours of any of the group. 86% report doing something they like is more important than making the most money. Report having a college degree or a college degree and a graduate degree. 67, there are 67% of that portion. 15% says report working independently to earn more money. The substitutors are more likely to be involved with an on-demand provider because they lost a job or are currently unavailable to find a traditional job. They are also the segment least happy and satisfied with on-demand work. 19% of that substitutors were unemployed and looking for a job before starting their on-demand work. Report flexibility is more important than making the most economy. Believe that 26% that doing something they like is more important than making the most money. Satisfaction with on-demand work. This is a full representation of the 5 points. Satisfaction with primary on-demand providers. 82% blue portion is the career freelancer. 61% is the passionates. 83% is the business builders, and the in purple color 47% is the substitutors. Orange color is for the side giggers. And this is a video. We have completed the 9 of 9 slides, and I hope you like it. If you want me to provide this lecture link to you, presentation link to you, I will then let me know in the comment section. I will give it to you for your presentation. And press the like button, and if you are new to our channel, then subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update from our side. Thank you. Let's zoom back.